Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Is it safe to eat sprouted potatoes? Well, the simplest answer to that is yes. Potato that has sprouted is perfectly safe to eat. All you need is to cut out the sprout and any nearby fresh that looks discolored. The same is true for small bruises, cuts, and discolorations. Just cut it or peel it until you remove them. There are a few conditions under which you need to rethink using a potato. If the skin is excessively wrinkled, toss it. If the flesh is very soft and squishy, and if, God forbid, it smells, toss it and take it outside.
A rotten potato is not something you want to smell in your house ever.
What do I do if I start peeling a potato and there is a bit of a green tint to the flesh under the peel? That green is not a good sign. It's indicating that solanine is developing in the potato, and solanine is not a good thing to ingest. Toss it right away. Potatoes don't need a ton of care, storage-wise. Just keep them fairly cool, dry, and out of the sunlight. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.